रामकृष्ण हरी. लाभले आम्हास भाग्य बोलतो मराठी, जाहलो खरेच धन्य ऐकतो मराठी. या पुण्यपावन भूमीमध्ये आपला जन्म झाला हे आपल्या साऱ्यांचंच भाग्य. ज्ञानोबा तुकोबांनी आपल्याला भक्तीचं वरदान दिलं. त्यामुळेच भक्ती आणि शक्ती यांचा संगम जिथे झाला तोच हा आपला लाडका महाराष्ट्र. भक्तीची, भागवत धर्माची ही पताका, ध्वजा आपल्या पुढील पिढीपर्यंत पोहोचावी, याचं महत्त्व त्यांना कळावं, याकरता अखंड कार्यरत असणारे विश्वधर्मी प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ कराड सर. दर्शक हो, आपण त्यांच्याच संकल्पनेतून साकारलेलं हे विश्वशांती दर्शन हे चॅनल पाहताय. सरांच्या संकल्पनेतून पार पडलेली दुसरी भारतीय संत साहित्य उच्च शिक्षण परिषद पुण्याच्या MITमध्ये नुकतीच पार पडली. या संत संमेलनास अनेक संत मंडळी, वक्ते, साहित्यिक उपस्थित होते. याच संत साहित्य उच्च शिक्षण परिषदेतील मान्यवरांचे विचार या विशेष कार्यक्रमाच्या मालिकेतून आपणासमोर आम्ही घेऊन आलो आहोत. भारत या शब्दाचा अर्थच मुळी भा म्हणजे आभा, तेज. या तेजामध्ये रममाण असणारा देश आणि ही तेजस्वी भूमी म्हणजेच आपला भारत. आपल्याला लाभलेली संस्कृती ही आपल्याला लाभलेली एक मोलाची देण आहे. ऋषीमुनींनी याच भारताचा अर्थ असा सांगितला आहे. भा म्हणजे प्रकाश, र म्हणजे रमणारा आणि त म्हणजे तरणारा. पाहुयात आजच्या आपल्या भागामध्ये ऋषीमुनींनी वर्णिलेला हा भारत. या भारतीय संत साहित्य उच्च शिक्षण परिषदेचे अध्यक्ष, श्रीपीठमचे संस्थापक स्वामी परिपूर्णानंद सरस्वती यांच्याकडून.
योऽन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयति अखिलशक्तिधरः स्वधाम्नाम् अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं. नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च ओ नमः. Just now recently, before I was being invited to the dais, Vishwanath ji was saying that we have Socrates, Aristotle, and great Einstein, so many scientists, philosophers, the whole world knows. Why not our saints? Why not our seers, rishis are not known to the globe? One thing I want to say, the Western world knows how to showcase themselves. The Indian knows only how to show the cost to the world. They don't showcase themselves. And I want to bring a difference between ancient science and modern science. As you all well established in modern science and this modern age, and few things we need to connect. And to connect it, I want to say the ancient science versus modern science. What is the fundamental and core base for these two? The ancient science, they expressed Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. All we know, when we chant any Shanti mantra, finally we conclude the chanting of Shanti mantra by 3 times we utter Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Why? That is the base for ancient science. It is not just to repeat it. It is not just to, just make others also recite it. There is something that our rishis has expressed, a deep sense, by chanting thrice of Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. One should know this. This is the base. This is what I consider it as a fundamental philosophy for our ancient Indian science. I don't want to call it Indian science, I want to call it Bharatiya Vijnana. Because when I say India, I remember that one of my friend, jokingly he was giving an abbreviation. Independence declared, India ka abbreviation. Independence declared in August. So it is what India is. Independent declared in August. That's what India is. Uska pahle Bharat nahi tha kya? And I would like to bring a small difference. We need to realize the meaning of India. They say Indus Valley. It's very ridiculous. Asindu Sindhu Paryanta Yasya Bharata Bhumika Pitrubhuhu Punyabhuschaiva Savai Hinduriti Smritaha. It's not just mere Indus Valley that our culture begins. It is the culture, it is spread throughout the globe. So when we say Akhand Bharat, the Pakistan got split, the Afghanistan got split. Even when you look at our ancient history, even our Ramas, significance are there in Indonesia still. Even there, the international airport is considered as a Garuda. And for them, the emperor is a Rama 1, Rama 2, Rama 3. So these are all things that we can settle down. But when I say India, what does it mean really? But when I say Bharat, you need to challenge the meaning of Bharat. So Bharat, if you search the meaning in the Oxford Dictionary, you may not get. But Bharat, the meaning, our rishis has expressed. Bha, Prakash, means you emerge with knowledge. Ra, one who revels. Ramate, Ta, Tarati, one who revels in the light and who attains the wisdom. That is called Bharat. The person who is born on this land, he attains a wisdom. Of course, nowadays the wisdom has become a remote object. But what I could say is, this Bharatiya Sant Uच्च Siksha Parishad has to come up with some idea to the world. The idea, what I think, that is not new or that is not my invention. The fundamental, the base, the philosophy, the core that our ancient science has expressed in 3 Shantis. One should try to know why the 3 Shantis are expressed. And first of all, they say Shanti means peace. It is a generic meaning. But an in-depth meaning is not, Shanti is not mere restricted to peace. Shanti also explains something else. What is that Shanti is? Three Shanti. They say Adhyatmika Shanti, Adi Daivika Shanti, and Adi Bhautika Shanti. These three things are to be dealt properly. That's what now modern science has taken a different shape and try to analyze these things, and going far, and they stop at a particular point and they say everything is shunyam. The difference between ancient science and modern science. The modern science begins with a materialism. The ancient science begins with spiritualism. So the modern science, all the time it deals with an object right in front. No object, no dealing. So atom and nucleus, and they travel lot to the extent where they go to the end and they say nothing is existing. Everything is shunyam. Everything is shunyam. That's what the modern science has arrived. And one question, this modern science has no answer to that question till now. That question is, if everything is shunyam, how shunyam can create this universe? Shunyam is non-existing. A non-existing entity cannot create an existing universe. So the logic, the reasoning, that is what the modern science is missing. Therefore, our ancient science says it is not shunyam. The final thing is purnam. That's what the world peace prayer also here. It is incorporated. Purnamadaha, purnamidam, purnat purnamudachyate, purnasya purnamadaya, purnameva vasishyate. Hats off to that a glory prayer.